with a very demanding science question. How the heck is this thing?
Spark plug.
Spark plug.
Spark plug.
Spark plug.
Flux capacitor.
And what does a spark plug do?
It plugs sparks.
Everybody's a comedian. What does the spark do, Susie?
Light something on fire, namely gas, perhaps?
What is it doing lighting gas on fire?
Energy.
Energy.
Energy. Okay. And what does the energy do?
Make the car go?
Makes the car go. Okay. Do you want to see if we can figure it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Okay, let's do a couple of experiments. So the first thing you talk about is it's a spark plug, right? So you're not going to spark. Spark's electrical. What sort of property of electricity? Heat. Sparks make heat. Starts with a V.
Voltage.
You need voltage. That's right. How many volts in your car?
12 in the battery.
That's right. Is 12 a lot of volts? You have sparks jumping off your car every time you touch it? No. Inside your car, you have specific transformers that generate volts in order to make sparks. What do you think this might be for?
Some sort of prod.
Yeah, turn around. Let's find out. This is a transformer to generate lots of
Voltage.
voltage. When you get high voltage, you get sparks. If I touch the high voltage to the spark plug, what's going to happen now? The little gap at the bottom.
It's going to transfer.
What do you see? You got to look carefully. What do you see at the bottom there?
Spark.
Now, the big question is, okay, we've got high volts going in here. We've got a spark. Where does this part of the spark plug sit in your engine?
Inside the engine.
Is there a particular part of the engine that it sits in?
Cylinder.
Cylinder, right. And what else do you put into the cylinder along with the spark?
Gasoline and air
Gasoline and air. Why do you need air?
to support the combustion.
You put fuel and air together and you add a spark, what do you get?
Explosion.
What sound does an explosion make?
Boom.
Say it like you mean it, man. Say it like you mean it. Boom. Do you want to make a boom?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our Science in the City internal combustion engine simulator. We have a cylinder and we have a spark plug. All we need now is to add a little bit of fuel. We're not going to use gas because we're not insane. Okay? This is something called ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and it actually is used in some engines. Is the spark plug touching the liquid fuel? No. Does the spark ignite the liquid fuel, or do you think it ignites something else?
Yeah.
The vapor?
That's right, it ignites the vapor. What do you call the piece of metal that's inside the cylinder that moves? We need a piston. We're going to add a piston in the form of this cork here. So I'm just going to... what do you think is going to happen when we... Okay, you have little faith. Okay. We've got vapor and air. All we need is a spark.
Right.
1, 2, 3. What did you just see?
A big kaboom.
We just saw the vapor expand and the cork had no place else to go but up.
What the heck does that have to do with an internal combustion engine and a spark plug in your car?
Release of energy.
Yeah.
Release of energy, that's right. So, if you've got an explosion inside the cylinder, what does that do to the piston? It pushes it. Exactly, pushes it away. You hook up that piston to a crankshaft, it turns the crankshaft. You just push those pistons, it keeps turning the crankshaft, and you've got motion.
Now we just need to put some wheels on it.
Fair enough.